Hello, hello. Welcome to Thursdays with Whitman-Walker. Hello. Come on in. We are on our Thursdays here with Whitman-Walker. We are going to do... Give me a second, everyone. Let me just pin. Give me 1 second, guys. One second. All right. Can you guys hear me? So we're trying something new today. I'm going on my page, but also on Whitman-Walker's page. So we get everyone to come in today on Whitman-Walker with me. Guys, I'm so happy to be here. It's Thursday, our lives with Whitman-Walker. As you guys see, we are celebrating bisexuality. Today, the 23rd of September, is Celebrate Bisexuality. So come on in. Yes, you will see me on Whitman-Walker's page, but I am also on here. That way we get all of our parties coming in from me and Whitman-Walker. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you guys for coming in. So as you guys know, I've been working with Whitman-Walker as a social media influencer for the past, it'll be 2 years pretty soon, actually. So we are here today celebrating bisexuality. So as you guys know, during the past year, Whitman-Walker's health community department has expanded its outreach efforts to social media platform, where we cover various topics about HIV, STI, sexual health practices, access to care, social determinants of health, and general public interventions. The next series of outreach sessions will focus on current pandemic COVID-19 and ways to manage your sexual, personal, and mental health. So the community health team is here to educate you and to support you. So we really appreciate you guys being here. Also wanted to shout out, it is Hispanic Heritage Month, so happy Hispanic Heritage Month to all. And we appreciate you all for being here and being part of our fam and our social media. So as we were saying, today we will be celebrating Bisexuality Month. Celebrate Bisexuality Day is observed on the 23rd every year. It's a part of the Bisexual Awareness Week celebrations held in September. The day is celebrated to remind people of the history and struggles faced by the bisexual community. A bisexual person is someone who is not exclusively attracted to people of one particular gender. The flag that represents the bisexual community has 3 colors: purple, blue, and pink. Celebrate Bisexuality Day teaches us that every person is deserving of love and respect, no matter how different they might seem from us. It is a day that teaches us acceptance. So a little history about Celebrate Bisexuality Day is Celebrate Bisexuality Day was organized by Wendy Curry, Michael Page, and Gigi Raven Wilbur. The day was first officially observed in 1999 by the International Lesbian and Gay Association Conference in Johannesburg, South Africa. The purpose of the celebration was to raise awareness of the challenges faced by bisexuals around the world and their fair demand to be treated respectfully. The founders were especially worried about the various experiences of the marginalizations and discriminations that bisexuals face from both straights and from the LGBTQ communities. The bisexual identity is often brushed aside by some members of the straight community as being confused or simply closeted gay, while on the other hand, the LGBT community sometimes categorizes bisexuals as undecided or even as traitors of the LGBT community. This makes it particularly difficult for bisexual people to openly embrace their identities and discourage those in the closet from coming out. So guys, come on in. If you're joining us, don't worry, you'll be able to see this on our live later. Also, if you have any questions or something I can answer, please comment. Tell me how you guys are celebrating Bisexuality Day today. So historically, bisexuals have been an often ignored group along with the LGBT community. While many are of the assumption that there exists no such thing as bisexuality, some think that bisexuals tend to be promiscuous. For some members of the bisexual community, this has taken a serious toll. So much that the Human Rights Council report found that bisexuals had a higher rates of anxiety, depression, STIs than any other group. Therefore, Celebrate Bisexuality Day ends up serving two purposes. One, to raise awareness of bisexuals everywhere, and the second, to help prevent the prejudice faced by bisexuals. The day is celebrated every year with teach-ins, poetry readings, parties, picnics, festivals, and awareness events. So 5 facts about bisexuality that you probably didn't know or that will blow your mind. Bisexuals dominate the LGBT community. There's over 9 million LGBT people in the US, and more than half identify as bisexuals. Most bisexuals haven't come out to their colleagues. 49 of those bisexuals say that they haven't come out to any of their coworkers. They are more susceptible to police brutality. Bisexuals are 3 times more likely to experience police violence. Bisexual women face greater domestic violence. Bisexual women experience higher rates of sexual and intimate partner violence as well. And they also have the poorest health. Bisexual people have the highest rates of poor physical and mental health in retaliation to their sexual orientation. So that's a lot of info today about bisexuality. So, there's many ways you can help. If you know somebody, ask them questions, celebrate them, let them know that you're there to listen, that you are a friend. And this goes to anybody in any community, is make sure you speak to them, speak up, let them know how you feel, maybe something you don't understand, speak up. It's a time to embrace your friends and learn a little bit of things we don't know. So, like I said earlier, if you miss anything, don't worry. This video will be in our Whitman-Walker, and I'll also share it on my page as well. So if you want to go back because you missed the beginning, not a problem. But as we said today, we are celebrating Bisexuality Month. All right. Today's the day, the 23rd. But why just make it a day? Let's celebrate the whole month and the whole year. Sheesh. So anybody have any questions, or you missed anything? Please join in. The Bisexual Awareness Week is also known as #BiWeek, as an annual celebration week held in September from the 16th through the 23rd. Correct. Thank you. Good to see you, a free soul. We're celebrating bisexuality today. We appreciate you coming in. Hello. I see all the highs. Appreciate it. So any questions, guys? Anything, any information you want to give me that I might not know or I didn't touch subject on today? And there is a link right here that No Filter DC shared. So make sure you can screenshot that before the live is over. That way you're able to go and get more information about bisexuality, celebrating. Let's see. So as well, we're always here. We have the number down there for HIV STI testing by appointment only. So call. Let me see if any other questions. Looking good. All right. So before you go, don't forget, we also want to give you a couple reminders about COVID-19 and the vaccines. If you've already gotten vaccinated, congratulations. You've taken a really important step to preventing yourself and your loved ones and your communities from illness. The Delta variant is soaring across the United States at the moment, and it's totally understandable why you might want to keep wearing your mask. The vaccine isn't 100% effective. And as more contagious variants are spreading. There are very few ways and protocols in place to actually verify that the folks around you are vaccinated, so keep staying alert. Hello. If you haven't been vaccinated and are looking for an appointment, Whitman-Walker Health has COVID-19 vaccines available. Everyone ages 12 and up are eligible to receive the Pfizer COVID vaccine, and everyone 16 and up are eligible to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. So please reach out to 202-207-2480 to make an appointment. If you're having trouble making an appointment with us, for DC residents, you can find information on COVID-19 walk-up locations and eligibility at vaccinatedc.gov. Thank you, No Filter. They are adding it there as we speak, so you can go ahead and copy that or take a Snapchat because it will not be on our rerun. Or by calling 1-855-363-0333. Track the speed of the COVID vaccination lines by visiting coronavirus.dc.gov/don't wait. For Maryland residents, you can learn more about the Maryland vaccine distribution process and schedule a vaccination appointment at covidlink.maryland.gov or by calling 855-634-6829. If you live in Prince George's County, visit the vaccination registration portal here. If you live in the Montgomery County, visit the vaccination registration portal as well, or call 240-777-0311 or to schedule an appointment. For Virginia residents, learn more about the Virginia vaccine distribution process, schedule a vaccination or appointments at vaccinate.virginia.gov or by calling 877-829-4682. If you haven't been vaccinated and you're not looking for an appointment, please continue to follow your CDC guidelines for mask wearing, quarantine, social distancing, and the likes. It's very important that you get the vaccine, discuss COVID precautionary measures with those around you. Be mindful of masks, keeping your distance, especially when you do not know whether a person has been vaccinated or not. And don't forget, if you want to support Whitman-Walker, register to walk and donate in this year's virtual walk and 5K to end HIV on Saturday, October 23rd. This year marks a special year. It's a 35th anniversary on the walk. Register yourself or a team today to walk to endhiv.org. That's all together. Walk, T-O, end HIV.org to get more information about when, how you can join. You do not have to be there to walk. You can also be virtual and raise money and donate. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Whitman-Walker, at Whitman-Walker, and checking our websites, www.whitmanwalker.org, for the most part, up-to-date information and services, and for more COVID-19 resources and general Whitman-Walker services. So please call us at 202-797-4439. Follow some of our programs and Whitman-Walker Health Family at Real Talk, DC, No Filter, DC, and The Corner, DC. Some of them are in here now, so if you see them, go ahead and follow them for more information on what Whitman-Walker does and what our family Instagram and social media does as well. As always, I appreciate you guys taking a little time to come visit me. Good news is I am back. Bad news is I will be leaving next week. So next Thursday, make sure you tune in and make sure you come see me. We're going to have one last hoorah with me on Whitman-Walker, and you will be meeting new people, new social media influencers, and you will be joining part of our family. So make sure you come in, get more information, learn on our topics, send us requests on topics you want to hear about, and if we can, we will make it happen. I will talk to the bosses and make it happen. Hopefully it's a discussion we want to have that's helpful to getting our community up to date and informed. We want to get everybody informed, up to date. We want to get everyone tested. We want to get everybody vaccinated. We want to get everybody informed. We appreciate you all. Thanks again for coming. Give me a little wave, everybody, before I head out. Let me see if anyone has posted any questions or comments. We do appreciate you all. And don't forget to get that number. And if you miss anything, send a message to Whitman-Walker page, and we'll be more than glad to send you the link, the phone number, or where you live. If you're not sure how about to go things, please reach out. We have no problem finding out for you and sending you information on where, how, and how to help out. With that said, don't forget to come see me next Thursday. What day is next Thursday? Let me see. I know it's going to be, I think it's the 30th actually. Yep, the 30th of September. That will be my last day with Whitman-Walker. You might still see me around, guest appearance here and there. We'll see. Who knows? But for a fact that next Thursday will be my last day. I appreciate you all. See you soon. Bye, everyone. Thanks again for coming in.